lang si Mila. Mila!
Creamy white, Nescafe coffee.
Hindi siya.
Creamy Nestle milk.
Bakit?
Para smooth, araw-araw. Ready? Nescafe Creamy White, araw-araw. It's vitamin time! It's Century Kids Gummies, but multivitamin gummies. Sa eyes, brain, at immunity. Century Kids Gummies. Mahalagang paalala, ang Century Kids ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot ng mga uri ng sakit. Anak! It's breakfast time! Ay, ano po? Kailangan ng pampasigla? Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. May meat, sarap ng real chicken at more fresh eggs. May omega 3 and 6. Kaya pampasigla na? Sarap ba? Set? Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. Sarap, omega, sigla.
Highlands Gold made with Angus beef is and keeps. Gets a 5-star rating from 3 of the country's elite chefs. Try Highlands Gold today. In caring for my fur babies, top breed has always been my top choice. Give your fur babies top love and care with top breed.
For generations, Milo has energized millions of Filipinos. I am one of them.
Stories can energize tomorrow's families.
Share your
Done with Norge with seasoning.
JGB?
Lubos ng Jungkook lang ang personal na pamatay kay Puso.
Ito si
Dahil in-extrahan mo, extra rice meals, 99 lang. And ang Maximo simple to sa feel. Sige na, extrahan. May mga taong nakakaramdam ng pangingilo pag umiinom ng malamig. Nararanasan mo. Okay.
Hindi ka na, dapat. Virgin Adult Boost. Adult level gatas na may triple boost tulong sa immunity, energy, at brain function for adult level lakas. Virgin Adult Boost. Triple boost ang adult lakas. Huwag kang magmalinis. Nagkulang ba ako sa puson? Hindi lang, nakakahiya.
Ulat ka? Mag-dive ka! Meron mang paninilaw, sakay, agos linis, pagkwelyo at kilikili.
Ang pundi.
Ay, pagkilis, laban sa paninilaw. Extra big chili cheese. Get more soft at cheddar na cup. Para cheesy ang masarap. Get more. Payless extra big chili.
Why dalawang kapat?